This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have materials ready. Begin immediately with a magic ring because it gives a tight nose-to-body join. Use a 4/0 hook and worsted yarn, black for back, white for belly. Start with 6 single crochet in the magic ring, pull tight, then increase to 12 evenly over the next round to form the head base. Once done, continue 1 round without increases to stabilize shape. Make sure to place a stitch marker at round. Start to track increases accurately. Continue by increasing methodically. Follow 6 single crochet increase rounds until you reach the desired width, typically 30-36 SC for a palm-sized toy, then work 2 to 4 rounds even to build height. Once you reach the belly row, switch to white yarn to carve the penguin's front. This contrast creates the classic look. Insert safety eyes between rounds 6 and 8, securing them before further stuffing. Stuff lightly as you go. Overstuffing flattens the shape, so add fiber. To finish, crochet small beak and feet in orange. Make tiny triangles or oval flaps of 3 to 6 SC, and sew them in place with a yarn needle. Placement near round 10 for the beak and under the body for feet keeps balance. Close the opening with invisible decreases, pull tight, and weave the tail of yarn into the last rounds to hide the seam. If the body looks lopsided, unstuff a bit, reshape by blocking the rounds, then restitch any visible gaps before final stuffing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.